Phrasal verbs with keep. Fill in the blanks quiz. Fill in the blanks using the correct phrasal verb with keep. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. The doctor told him to blank salty foods. Is it A, keep around, B, keep back, C, keep off, or D, keep at? The correct answer is C, keep off. The doctor told him to keep off salty foods. I couldn't blank laughing during the meeting. Is it A, kept back, B, kept on, C, keep from, or D, keeping from? The correct answer is C, keep from. I couldn't keep from laughing during the meeting. He needs to blank his studies if he wants to pass. Is it A, keep at, B, keeps to, C, keeping at, or D, keeping to? The correct answer is A, keep at. He needs to keep at his studies if he wants to pass. He blank the plan and didn't change anything. Is it A, keep to, B, kept to, C, keeping to, or D, keep to? The correct answer is B, kept to. He kept to the plan and didn't change anything. We always blank a few candles blank in case the power goes out. Is it A, keep around, B, keep on, C, keep up, or D, keep away? The correct answer is A, keep around. We always keep a few candles around in case the power goes out. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more quizzes.